Fucking Godzilla's just sitting here. Alright, woke up bright and early this morning, even though it's not that bright and early anymore, so that I could go to a car meet and then do a drive around Sebago Lake, one of the biggest lakes in Maine. It's going to be a beautiful cruise. I'm bringing the correct car for that area. Yes, this is the correct car for that area. We're going to have some fun with the New England Driving Association guys, meeting up at Roma Joe's. This is what I'm bringing. Alright, so car is handling beautifully. I'm learning to keep the RPMs above 3,000 if I do not want check engine lights. Otherwise, she breaks up and I get check engine lights. But she is handling beautifully, driving beautifully. Everything's going great.
$40 out the fucking window.
Oh, fucking God. Who's GTR? Who's Skyline GTR? And how did I walk past this? I do not know. How did I walk by this? 26. I live on minors. How did I do that? Oh, fucking God. Right-hand drive import. I don't know how I didn't notice this sooner. Fucking Godzilla's just sitting here.
That looks fun. That'd be so hard to drive.
Oh my God. Three. 5. Ooh, I think I went 5. Alright. Cool. Approach. That is a fucking beast. Oh. Fuck, that sounds good. Jesus, these are some incredible builds. People work pretty hard on them. Falling for nobody else but you. Who is that? I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else. Jesus! Christ, what's done to it? right, Subi, I'm sorry. You're done today. You're not loud. You're quiet. Is he leaving? No! He ain't doing it. He ain't getting it. Fuck, that was beautiful. That was what I needed. Straight up don't believe you.
Stock.
It's a 6.
What? No way. No way. Fuck. I didn't know they sound good.
It's a Roush exhaust.
Oh, that would explain a little bit of it, but I always thought V6s sounded like shit.
Yeah.
Dude, holy fuck, man.
Might be completely stock.
Just taking cats off?
Yeah.
Okay, alright,
Callus, H-pipe,
yeah. Alright.
and Roush exhaust, yeah.
Alright, that explains a little bit of it, but still, Jesus Christ, that sounds good for a fucking V6, dude. Well, you must trip people out on the street all the time. Woo! Woo! God damn. Well, that's it. Fucking beautiful. Yeah, we need some heat. A little teeny bit. So this gives a lot of protection to the radiator.
It just goes in all the way.
Nice.